For this tutorial, we're going to be making a bear keychain using pipe cleaner. Let's start. So you're going to grab your pipe cleaners. You're going to take 6 of the same color. So for me, I'm using yellow, and you're going to twist 2 at a time. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just twisting my first 2. Once you're done twisting that, you're going to grab the second one and twist all the way. This is me twisting my second one, and you're going to do the third one just like that. So when you're done twisting all your 3 pipe cleaners, you're going to take your wooden stick, and you're going to, so this is me trying to pin down the pin on my pipe cleaner. So you're going to then take your wooden stick and twist your pipe cleaners around it just like I have done. You're going to do all 3 like that, just like that. And once you're done, you're going to take one more pipe cleaner of the same color, and you're going to put in all your twisted pipe cleaners, and you're going to make sure that the edges are touching each other, just like that. So once you're done with putting in your 3 pipe cleaners into that one pipe cleaner, you're then going to twist that one pipe cleaner that you put all your 3 pipe cleaners in. You twist it, give it a very good twist, then cut off the excess, and you can use your plier to push in any pins that might be popping out. So this is what you want to get, a circular shape. This is exactly what you want to get. And once you're done, you're going to take another color of choice. For me, I'm using brown. Then you're going to cut it into 2, and then this is the next thing you're going to do to form the ears. You're going to grab 1/2 of the pipe cleaner that you just cut, and you're going to roll it into a circular shape, just like what I just did. And I'm going to do the second one again. You're going to roll it into a circular shape, just like this. And once you're done, once you get to the edge, you're going to tuck it in, and now you've done your 2 ears for the bears. Then you're going to use your tape measure to cut out 4 inches. Now we want to work on the base for the nose. Again, you're going to twist it just like we did for the ears. Once you're done twisting, you tuck the end in like that, and you push it down. You push it down with your stick. You can use it again. You can use your hand. I'm using my stick so I don't get hot. So another thing is you're going to then put your glue. You're going to glue that down. You're going to glue it down. And once you're done with that, you then take the base of your nose and glue it right in the middle of that circle that you have on your pipe cleaner, and you press it down just like that. Now you have the base of your nose. Then you're going to grab your pipe cleaner, and you're going to put the ears on it by the side. So that's one side. You're going to do the same thing for the other side, and you're just going to put your hair, the second hair. As you can see, we have our 2 ears now and the base of our nose. The next thing you want to do is you grab your beads, these tiny black beads. You grab them and put them, that will serve as the eyes. So that's me putting the glue on the sides, and so that's the nose, and I'm going to be putting the eyes too. And now we have our fully done bear. Now to attach the keychain, you grab your plier and just give it all at the top of your pipe cleaner and put in your keychain. So I'm using this type of keychain that you have to open and clip. So that's me clipping down my keychain, and now my pipe cleaner teddy bear is done.